Here's problem 1. We have 2 secant lines. We're dealing with lengths of these lines here. We have e to n is 6, that is 8, this is 4. It wants to know the length of dz. Well, as I've taught you in class, what happens if it's on the outside, here's what the pattern simply is. It's going to be e to n's length times e to f, the whole length. So it's always going to be this outside length. Start with the outside length. That's important. This outside length times the whole length will equal the other sides. So it'll equal this 4 times that whole length. So we've got to work this. I got that 6 times the whole length. 8 times 6 is, 8 plus 6. The total length of that leg is 14. So 6 times 14 is equal to 4 times the whole length. Well, I don't know what the whole length is, but I do know. Let's just label this right here, d to z. Let's label it n. I'm just going to call it n. So it'll be 4 times that whole length. Well, that whole length is going to be 4 plus n. Now, if we want, we could go ahead and just put dz there, but in this case, I'm just going to do n, come back and put it in, and know that that's dz's length. So I have 6 times 14. 6 times 10 is 60 times that. That's going to give me 84, because I did 6 and 4 is 24. 6 and 10 is 60. Put them back together, 84. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times the n, 4n. So I'm just going to get rid of it that way. I could divide by 4 to get rid of that, but I'm just going to do it this way, no big deal. Subtract 16 from both sides. On the right-hand side, I have 4 times this dz, missing length n, is equal, I subtract here, 84, 74, 64, go back, that's 68. I simply took away 20 and then added 4 back in my head, so 68. You can do it however you like. I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4. That's going to give me 17, I believe, because I know 4 goes into 40 10 times. 4 into 28 is 7, so it's going to be 17 there. So I know this missing length, n, is 17, which is what dz is. So dz, 17. It's that simple. Again, you start right here on the out part. It's going to be this length times the whole length equals this length times its whole length. The two will have to match up. There you have problem 1. Hope that helps you out.